We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to find the slope of the line which is going to pass through these 2 points. Okay, this is my point 1 and this is my point 2. This is my x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is equal, my y2 is equal 3 minus y1, which is equal 4, over x2, which is equal negative 1, minus x1, which is negative 7. 3 minus 4 is equal negative 1. And I have negative 1. Negative times negative gives me positive, so this is plus 7 equals negative 1 over negative 1 plus 7 is equal 6. Negative divided by invisible positive is equal negative. That's why my answer is negative 1/6. My slope is equal negative 1/6. Now let's draw the line which is going to pass by these 2 points. Okay, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. First point has coordinates negative 7 and y equals 4. So I have negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my negative 7. And y coordinate is 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my first point. And second point has coordinates negative 1, 3. So I have negative 1 and 3. This is P2. Now we're supposed to draw the line which is going to pass by these 2 points. Okay, please notice that this line is going downward from left side to right side. Why? Because my slope is negative. So this is my value of slope, and this is the graphical representation of this problem.